Today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, you should hold for a while your device screen with your finger, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap here, and as can you see here, we got all the available widgets that we can add to our device screen. For example, we can see here the quick functions, for example the clock, and here you can see some different types of the look of these widgets. For example, we can add the regular clock with the weather. Just hold for a while this widget and drag it, for example, here, and now you can see that we can also move this widget here on the screen. Also, we can create a new screen with this widget. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here to this middle section. And if you want, we can also add here one more widget. That can be the calendar schedule, for example. Just hold for a while and drag it here. Okay, we have now here some space, so we'll just move this widget, and now we'll add the calendar. So hold, no space. Why here is no space? Okay, we'll add it here to our this screen. As can you see, this widget is a little bit bigger than the first one, but we can make this widget smaller, as can you see, and now we can move this widget here on the screen. And as can you see, that's really simple. And if you want to just remove the widget from your device home screen, hold for a while and click here to remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.